TimberSurf here with vlog number 7. So I guess this is a bit of a roundup of the year, which hasn't been terribly good. Obviously we were still suffering from COVID, and one of the consequences of that is my job contracts have not been very good this year. And the really big one for me was I had a major life-saving open chest surgery in May, which I'm just about recovered from. So all in all, not a terribly good year. But I guess there are some little bits of light at the end of the tunnel. My design Timscale venture has taken off and found myself a partner who will launch it in the new year. So that's a bit of excitement, which makes a change. And with the lifting of COVID, we had the chance to go to exhibitions again. So I went to quite a few, and a few toy fairs as well, and did what I normally do, bought some more rolling stock. I even managed somehow, which is very unusual for me, to actually buy a loco. Got the 9F from Hornby with TTS sound. Yet to run it, need a railway I think. But yeah, I'm looking forward to getting that out of the box one day and having a play with it. I've always wanted a 9F. So I guess that's pretty much it for the year. Coming to a close. So what else is going on? Well, my YouTube channel's doing very well. I was pretty surprised when I broke through 100. I was amazed when I got 500. I was gobsmacked when I got 1,000. And it's not going to be very long before I break 2,000. Never dreamt I'd get above 1,000, and doubling that is wow. So thank you very much, all of my subscribers. Very much appreciated, and is encouragement to make me do more videos. So as a consequence, a 2,000 subscriber competition will be coming in the near future. That'll be interesting, and it'll be I can assure you, a very decent prize. So in appreciation for all those that helped me increase my subs, I thought I'd do a little shout out for a relatively new YouTuber called Darlingborough Model Railway. Link below. Do have a look and subscribe and hit the bell if you like what you see. And if you haven't done that already for my channel, why not? And that's about it really for the year. Oh, I have actually started a Facebook group, Timscale 3D Prints, which is basically, for until the launch, what I'm going to do is give you some sneak peeks at what's coming, and which will be available at the launch of Scale 3Ds and Timscale's products. And after we launch, it will be the forum for basically a sneak peek at what's on my workbench, what I'm currently working on in CAD and designing, which will not long later become a saleable product. So you're welcome to join. Come and join in the banter. Make your suggestions of what you would like to see out there in the market. Show us what you've been doing, what 3D stuff you've plonked on your layout, and eventually how you've painted and incorporated our products into your layout. So it only remains for me to wind up the year and say the usual platitudes, because I'm not one for Christmas, not anymore. When we had kids, yes, I used to do the full Monty, and it used to cost me thousands. And I used to drive me nuts putting all the decorations up, only to take them down a month later. So we gave up Christmas about 5 years ago. There are no trees or decorations up in my house. Humbug. Yeah, well, obviously other people still enjoy it, and the kids do. They've got their own kids, so we'll be going to theirs for a change. Yay! About time it's on the other shoe. So for those that like Christmas, a very happy Christmas. Or is it a merry one? Yeah, a very merry Christmas. And hopefully a happy and more prosperous New Year. So from me, TimberSurf, for one last time in 2021, it's ciao for now.